What's up, Team TBABY? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good, but how y'all doing?
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.
Alright, you guys, so today we are back in my kitchen, el cocina, for those of you who speak Español. This recipe is super simple, and I feel like I've already done tofu for you guys a few times, but when it is lunchtime, I like to throw something together that's super fast. So I just want to show you that you can make really simple, quick recipes, either the day before if you work, or if you work from home, you can make these at home. So I did do salmon last time actually, but I cut my tofu in some thick cubes because we're gonna bake everything. I have brown rice cooking, so you can do brown or white. I've been doing brown lately for the fiber. And then we're gonna make some ginger shoyu broccoli. Broccoli has loads of protein as well. And then I cut my zucchini into little slices. So I thought I'd mix those together. And then here's my fresh ginger. You guys, ginger is amazing for you, and not only for your health but for your digestion, everything all around. It also has vitamins in it. I add it to my tea, add it to whatever, but just eat ginger. I promise you, you feel so much better. Okay, so I like to watch how fast this is. This is the most simple recipe. I like to spray my pan, even though I put it on parchment paper. And I'm gonna put my tofu on one, and then we're going to put our vegetables on the other. So you can literally do whatever vegetables you want. I just went to the store and chose these. Last night I had poke, so if you guys are, I guess if you haven't seen my last video when I made a video on why I'm not vegan anymore, you can watch that. But yes, I am eating fish again, and I am loving every single bite of it. Now I'm going to show you literally how fast and easy this meal is. So there's really no excuse to eating healthy or to cooking or learning how to cook, because you cannot be eating out every meal. It's not good for your body, and it's not good for your wallet. Okay, so I like to spray a little bit more, and then as you guys know, I use liquid aminos on everything. So I like to pour some here, pour some here, and then I'm gonna actually put some of this. I get this sriracha, it's coconut sriracha, made with real coconut cream, and it's just better for you than regular sriracha. So I like to put some on my tofu, and it kind of gives it like a spicy buffalo flavor. And then we're gonna put some mooch on there, and a little bit on the veggies. And then today I'm literally just doing pepper. Like I said, you guys, this is the easiest but tastes so good. And garlic powder. And then all you do, mix it up and throw it in the oven at 400 degrees. And then I will see you guys shortly, literally when it's all done, in like 15-20 minutes, and that's it. It's so easy, so simple, and so delicious. Alright, you guys, now that everything is done, I am so hungry, so we're gonna plate it. Wow, look at that. So simple, but so easy, and full of protein from my tofu, my broccoli, zucchini, loads of vitamins. Brown rice has protein in it also, and fiber. You guys, it's so simple, but it comes out, ooh, that's gonna be hot. So good. The ginger gives it like a super nice flavor with the soy sauce, and then I put some nooch on top also with some hot sauce on the side. You guys, I'm telling you, and this would be perfect in a meal prep little container. It's so good and so easy. So I would probably eat 2 plates of this because I always do. I'm a hungry girl. Hungry woman, I mean. Anyway, so I just want to show you this super quick, simple recipe because you guys seem to like to know about more healthy food and what to eat and what to pack in your lunches or dinner. And if you're in a hurry, if you're tired, it's no excuse because you see how quick and easy that was. Alright, so drop down below any other recipes that you would like to see. Now you can include fish, you can include whatever you would like to know how to cook because I guarantee you I can make it for you. And that's just the Italian confidence. And plus this is my passion. I truly love to help you guys with more recipes and fitness and health and all around. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all soon.